So first of all, everybody just relax. Everybody, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You did the hard part. You did all the hard parts. You get to relax now. So I'm going to start with an easy one. So how proud are you of what you accomplished through this program?
We are very, very proud. Very proud. The project brings us the opportunity to success. We learned a lot. We learned how to work in a facility, how to work in a warehouse, how to be a professional, how to look for the 5S in the facility or in the office, how to read blueprints, how to measure with calipers, micrometers. So we learned how to live, because this is part of what we learn, how to live with things. Standards, national standards, international standards, things that we don't know before.
Wonderful, wonderful. Anybody else?
It's in English, right?
Your choice. Yep.
Yo le exhorto a todos que únanse en este programa. Fue de mucho beneficio para nosotras, ya que somos todas mujeres. Pero también pues, para varones, para mujeres, le exhorto a que entren al programa. Va a ser de su beneficio grandemente y van a aprender muchísimo. Los maestros son excelentes, trabajan bien contigo, son pacientes, así que no le tengan miedo y únanse al programa. Estuvo magnífico. Nosotros nos graduamos y ustedes también pueden tomar un éxito en este programa de igual manera. Que les bendiga.
Anyone else? Well, I'll ask it, or if I can ask another question, or if anybody wants.
And now is the family, is team player, because manufacturing, I improved in my life because it's different for the skill. My skill now is, for me, is perfect because I go to project. My English is better. I go to project, but I think it's normal. But now it's not normal for me because now I stay in Northampton Community College. Yes.
Nous avons appris.
Now I have to thank you, the project, because the project gives us these opportunities to come for this program. And then for this program now, we learn everything we need to do to live for life. That's why I say that, because the door of the company is open for us. We can go to work. If you want to work this company, you have a lot of company. You can choose which one you can go. But that's so excited for that. And then I have to say thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nous avons appris pendant ce programme plein de choses concernant la manutention. Et nous avons appris comment lire le blueprint, comment organiser, comment classer, comment se débarrasser des déchets, tout ce qui n'est pas utile pour le travail. Nous avons appris comment est-ce que comment se débarrasser des déchets industriels, des déchets toxiques. Comment reconnaître dans une entreprise, comment reconnaître les passages dangereux. Nous avons appris dans une entreprise comment organiser le lieu de travail, comment rendre utile tout ce dont nous avons besoin pour travailler, comment classer les objets de manière à ce qu'on soit seulement en train de prendre ce dont nous avons besoin pour le travail. Vraiment, ce programme nous a ouvert de grandes portes. Et à la fin de ce programme, nous pouvons lire les mesures anglaises, les mesures des États-Unis, comment mesurer avec le système métrique, le système américain. Vraiment, c'est un bon programme. Et nous encourageons vivement tous ceux qui hésitent encore à s'engager, parce que ça nous ouvre les portes du travail.
Yeah. Great. Wonderful. Anybody else who didn't say anything or wanted to say something? If you don't, that's okay.
Spanish is fine.
Spanish, English,
Spanish.
French. We're speaking everything here, so whatever you want to speak,
Por mí, pues dando gracias a Dios primeramente y a ustedes, ProJeCt, Northampton Community, por la oportunidad de poder tomar este curso de emprendimiento personal para mi crecimiento y el de todos los que vengan detrás de nosotros, que lo hagan, que no tengan miedo por su edad, su idioma, su país, que es una gran oportunidad para crecer en este país, tanto en el idioma como en nuestra vida personal. Muchas gracias. Thank you for everything. I remember for life. Thank you for the opportunity. It's very I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's nice. Thank you.
If not, that's okay. I like that. Not pressure.
Next question.
Yeah, next question. Okay, we talked today about this isn't the end. This is the beginning.
The beginning, yes.
The beginning of something.
That's the beginning.
So, what do each of you, or you depending, what do you like to, from here, where would you like to go from here? What are the things that where do you want to go from here now that you've had this goal and you've achieved it? What's next? What's next for each of you?
I want to say I thank the program. The teachers were excellent. Don't miss a chance to get in this program as well. I also wanted to say that being in this program, I discovered new skills that I have. I didn't know that I was good as a customer service person, and I discovered that skill through the teachers that saw that skill in me, and I know they're gonna find new skills in you. Don't be shy. Get in the program. There's excellent teachers. They will work with you. They're wonderful. And again, join this program. It's an excellent one. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I would like to add to this. From now on, I feel like working in a successful company, sharing my knowledge that I learned in this project, and I'm welcome to other people to do the same. Don't stay. Don't sit in the house. Get up and walk. There is future right there. We need to show what we have to share with them. And like she said, we have a lot of. We don't know what we have inside until we start to explore. Okay, so folks, come on, get up, go to the project, look forward. Okay, and you are welcome here.
Anybody else? Anybody?
But today is not the end. Why? Because you learn, you stay in the class, and then you see the tools, you touch it. And then now, in reality, and you go in the manufacturing, you have to see the machine, the tools, and then you have to show how you use it. And then you have to go and then to work and then to prove your learning that it's a continue.
Yeah.
I want to say that, I don't know how to say it in English, but the jiggle of ProJeCt is help people to help themselves. Now people ProJeCt help us. Now you have to help ourselves now, because at the end of this program, you are now available to improve how you learn during these courses, and it's time to go to stand up and go to work.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. I think that's phenomenal. If you want to say anything else, otherwise go celebrate to do what's next year. Yeah. So thank you again for everything.